Welcome to this X8R video demonstrating our replacement boot button for the Lexus and Toyota models. You can see here our kit includes a replacement rubber button, which is an improved design rubber. This is designed to be a direct replacement for the original. We also include replacement screws in case the originals are damaged, and importantly, an offset screwdriver as access to the screws can be difficult. You can see here the original boot button. This deteriorates and melts, and often this rubber melts away completely or leaves residue on your hands when you operate the button. Start by releasing the plastic caps on the screws on the button. You can just flick these over, giving you access to the Phillips head screws. Remove these screws using our offset screwdriver. Locate on the screw head and put pressure on the base of the offset screwdriver and rotate to release. Again, it is a good idea to put pressure on the base of the screwdriver to prevent any slippage. Either using a plastic pry tool or a screwdriver, lever the button unit out of position. If you are using a screwdriver, it's worthwhile masking around the button to prevent any damage to the rest of the bodywork. Insert at the far left-hand corner and lever out, then work your way to the far right-hand corner, levering the button unit out of position. You can see here the button has been released. The original button rubber can just be pulled out of position. Sometimes this button can be really melted, so use cleaner to remove all residue of the old button. You can see here this one isn't too badly damaged, so we can just pull it out of position. You can see here how this has begun to deteriorate and has started melting. Fit our new rubber part. This fits in exactly the same way as the original. Fold over the sides of the rubber part and locate onto the mechanism. When doing this, ensure that all four sides are fully covered and overlapping on the reverse. You can see that here. You can then push the unit back into position. Then, either refit the screws if they are still in good condition, or you can use our replacement screws. Fasten these using our offset screwdriver. Push back on the black plastic caps. This completes the repair, and you can now test the button. Thank you for watching this X8R video. If you have any questions, you can contact us on 01843 446643, or you can email us at sales@x8r.co.uk. Thank you for watching.